Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to English Flow Podcast Official. I'm really happy you are here with me today. Before we begin, just take a small pause, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and just listen. This is your time to learn English slowly, clearly, and without pressure. Today, we are going to talk about something very important: why you understand English but still struggle to speak. Let me ask you something. Have you ever learned many English words? Maybe you even understand movies, you understand videos, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. You freeze, you hesitate, you feel nervous. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Almost every English learner goes through this stage. And the reason is not your intelligence, not your memory, not your grammar. The real reason is your method. Most learners focus on learning individual words. They write long vocabulary lists, they memorize meanings, but they don't learn how to use those words in real life. Let me explain this in a very simple way. Imagine you know these words: go, market, today. Now you want to speak. Your brain starts building a sentence. I go market today. It feels slow, it feels uncomfortable, and it doesn't sound natural. Now listen to this. I'm going to the market today. Smooth, clear, natural. What is the difference? The second one is a complete phrase, and this is the key idea of today's lesson. Fluency is built with phrases, not isolated words. Your brain doesn't like random pieces. It likes patterns, connections, meaning. Think about songs. Think about movie dialogues. You remember full lines like, I'll call you later. That sounds great. Let me think about it. Why? Because they are complete. They have emotion. They have context. So instead of learning like this, word, meaning, translation, start learning like this: situation, phrase, usage. Now let's explore some real examples. Situation: you are tired. Instead of saying, I tired, say, I'm really tired. I'm exhausted. I need a break. Situation: you agree with someone. Instead of just yes, say, I totally agree. That makes sense. Situation: you are unsure. Instead of I don't know, say, I'm not sure about that. Let me think. These are small changes, but they make your English sound natural and confident. Now let's talk about something deeper. Why do phrases work better? Because when you learn phrases, you are not translating, you are thinking in English. And when you think in English, your speaking becomes faster, your confidence increases, and your fear goes down. Now imagine two learners. Learner A knows 1,000 words, but speaks slowly because they think word by word. Learner B knows 200 phrases but speaks smoothly because they use ready-made expressions. Who sounds more fluent? Learner B, because fluency is not about how much you know, it's about how easily you can use it. Now let's make this practical. Here is a simple daily routine you can follow. Step 1. Choose 3 to 5 useful phrases. For example, sounds good to me. I'll get back to you. I'm not sure. Step 2. Repeat them out loud, not silently. Speak them. Feel the rhythm. Feel the sound. Step 3. Personalize them. Make your own sentences. Sounds good to me. Let's go tomorrow. I'll get back to you in the evening. Step 4. Listen and notice. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, and pay attention to how people speak. When you hear a useful phrase, pause, repeat, copy. Step 5. Use it daily. Even if you are alone, talk to yourself. Practice in front of a mirror. Because practice is not thinking. Practice is speaking. Now let's talk about mistakes. Mistake number 1 is learning too many phrases at once. Your brain gets overloaded. So instead, learn less, repeat more. Mistake number 2 is not speaking out loud. If you only read, you will understand English, but you won't speak it. Mistake number 3 is trying to be perfect. You don't need perfect grammar. You need clear communication. Mistake number 4 is translating from your native language. This slows you down. Instead, learn phrases directly in English. Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from using what you know. Even if your English is simple, you can still speak clearly. For example, I need help. I don't understand. Can you repeat? Simple but powerful. Now I want you to do something with me. Say this in your mind or out loud. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I can speak English. These are not just sentences, they are beliefs, and your belief changes your behavior. Now here is your small challenge. Today, choose 3 phrases from this video. Repeat them, use them, speak them, and if you want, write 1 sentence in the comments. This small action can create big change, because now you are not just watching, you are practicing, and that is the difference between a learner and a speaker. Before we finish, remember this. Don't learn English word by word, learn English phrase by phrase. Don't wait for confidence, build it by speaking. Don't fear mistakes, use them to grow. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep flowing with English. I'll see you in the next episode.